Why being busy is not the same as being fulfilled. Have you ever reached the end of the day exhausted, yet unsure what you accomplished? You responded to messages, checked your email, and tackled minor problems. But when you finally rest, you struggle to identify anything that truly mattered. You move quickly, but you make no progress. I used to think being productive meant doing more. I thought working harder and faster would help me feel caught up. Instead, it made me more stressed and behind. My days were full of tasks, not purpose. But reclaiming time means using your hours well, not finding more hours. Now that we've established why reclaiming your time matters, let's explore how you can do so in your own life. Let's delve into an easy 3-step approach to help you regain control of your time and focus on what really counts. Before we get started, subscribe now and join a community dedicated to building a calmer, more purposeful life together. Be proactive and take the first step. Subscribe today. Let's start with step 1. Escape the busyness trap, the first focus in this process. A packed calendar may look impressive, but busyness isn't productivity. Organize your inbox, and key projects remain undone. Attend meetings all day, yet make no real progress. Busy people do more. Effective people do what matters. A few key actions drive most results. The 80-20 rule. Protect time for priorities, not just more tasks. After recognizing the impact of busyness, move confidently to step 2. Learn to sort what truly matters. One helpful way to manage your time is by sorting your tasks into simple groups. Imagine 4 boxes. The first box is for urgent and important tasks. These are true emergencies and real deadlines. You need to handle these quickly. The second box is for important but not urgent tasks, like planning your future, building skills, spending time with family, and working on long-term goals. These matters are deeply important but are often ignored. The third box is for tasks that seem urgent but are not important. These distractions include frequent notifications, trivial requests, and tasks that keep you busy without progress. The fourth box is for tasks that are neither urgent nor important. These are pure time wasters, endless scrolling, mindless viewing, or repetitive busy work that adds no value. When you look at your day through this simple system, you begin to see clearly. Most people spend too much time reacting to urgent things and not enough time building what truly matters. To make these principles practical, apply them with mindful tracking. Reclaiming your time. Track where your time really goes. The first step to reclaiming your time is awareness. For 1 week, track how you spend your time. Write it down honestly. If you scroll on your phone for 30 minutes, record it. If a quick email check turns into 45 minutes, write it down. At the end of the week, look at your list. Place each activity into one of the 4 boxes. This step can feel surprising. You may notice that you spend very little time in the important but not urgent box. You may also notice how much time gets lost to distractions. This is not about guilt. It is about truth. Once you see clearly, you can make better choices. Takeaway. Awareness of your time helps you make a greater impact. With increased awareness, it's time to take action. Protect your most important work. Once you see how you spend your time, you must guard what matters most. One effective method is time blocking. Schedule your priority tasks as you would an appointment. If writing is important, reserve time for it. If exercise matters, set it on your calendar. When it appears in your calendar, you treat it as genuine. You can batch minor tasks together. Instead of checking email throughout the day, pick 2 specific times to check it. This reduces interruptions and conserves energy. During focused work, try short, concentrated bursts. Work for 25 minutes, then take a brief break. This rhythm keeps you sharp and prevents burnout. Now that you've set priorities, proceed to step 3. Build simple daily habits. Systems help, but habits make the change last. At the start of each day, work on your most important task first. Do not wait until you feel ready. Starting with what matters builds confidence and momentum. At the end of each day, spend 10 minutes planning tomorrow. Identify your top priorities and record them. This provides peace of mind. You can rest, knowing you have a clear plan. Small daily habits yield major results over time. Choose purpose over pressure. Keep in mind, reclaiming your time is not about perfection, it's about intentional choices. You don't need to change everything at once. Start small. Track your time this week. Next week, protect one important task. Daily small steps bring lasting change. When you focus on what truly matters, your days begin to change. You feel calmer. You feel more focused. You feel fulfilled. Subscribe for more practical tips on focus, productivity, and creating a life you enjoy. Your time is your life. Use it well.